people have already been waiting for this one for a long time, and I think they're gonna love it, you know, the way they loved all the others. I'm feeling irie, man. I'm feeling irie.
Pan that thing round on Mr. Smith here.
They're going to complain about the lack of fun.
Oh, yeah? I can eat it. Yeah. Right. Want to demonstrate, please? 11-4.
Girls here. How long are these cheers? Trying to be in face. Two girls sitting there. You know, so we can get some reactions from them, you know?
So find him, get him in his makeup and wardrobe. There he is. Joke.
Listen to those guitars skanking, yeah.
Stand by and roll playback.
How long shall you carry that burden on your shoulders?
We're getting somewhere. Yeah, man.
We all have troubles now and again. Know what I'm saying? No matter how hard we try.
I'm here on a visit. I'm from Mars.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have somebody from planet Mars.
Well, Lucky's potential has been shown around the world and locally, and it seems to be growing by every day.
With Lucky's signing to Motown internationally, I think it's a major breakthrough for any South African act.
This is exhausting, I don't know. It's got to be an easy way of making videos.
Skanking, yeah.
To the people, to get the people to participate in it so we could have a nice, spontaneous, fun video.
To do a video that would allow Lucky to get close to the people.
I wanted it to be a happy video. I wanted it to be a video that we can look at and laugh, because we haven't been laughing in South Africa for a long time. In my songs I was singing about slaves and prisoners and everything like that. As the song says, we feel irie, which means we feel good or we feel happy or cool, you know?
Lucky Dube music is very happy, and I like them because that's African music.
Lucky is a great guy to us. We like him very much.
To be the first to buy it. Really, very, very happy.
He's a good singer, and it's like for everybody.
We are liking the guy music so that the people of South Africa will enjoy the music from Lucky Dube.
I like his music, and I always watching him in the TV.
Lucky? Yeah, he's a musician.
It's Lucky coming through once again, and it's his reflections from his heart of what he's experienced and what he's lived through.
What are you talking about?
It's about putting your pain of life aside, your burdens aside.
What is that?
A man with great ambitions and aspirations, and I think with the right backing, with the country going where it's going, we've got a star in the making and being made.
Well, trying to be.
He's got great muscles, and I think he's going to go from Trinity to Trinity.
To sell platinum in about 4 weeks' time.
But I think we all are in the music business. Oh, this is the last shot we're doing.
Keep your head high. I tell you again and again.
And it's a wrap. That means we're going home. Thank you.